Most people know about the black holes. Almost all people think that black holes are funnels that suck everything that flies near them. But, in fact, this is not the case. So, now we will analyze all the myths about these holes. Let's coming and do science. Hello dear scientists. Alright, let's dive to it how black holes are forming and why they are black. First of all, we need to know that a black hole is a star. So, we need to understand how stars form. Let there be a cloud of some molecules in space. According to the law of universal gravitation, which we remember was discovered by Isaac Newton in 1666 and published in 1687, entitled Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, everything in this cloud begins to be attracted to the soon-to-be-created young star. But everything continues to be attracted, and there is a huge temperature and pressure, and the consequence of this is that there are triggered thermonuclear reactions. And the star begins to burst from the inside of thermonuclear reactions and is attracted by the force of gravity. This process occurs of all times during which the star lives. It depends on the size of the star. Billions of years later, when the fuel in the star runs out, the force that burst the star ceases to act. The star fades and ceases to shine, and then begins to shrink and creates a neutron star. It is very dense. And these stars have such a strong gravitational field they look black. Because they attract all spectra of light and emit nothing. The outer surface of a black hole is called the event horizon. This is a spherical boundary where a balance is achieved between the strength of the gravitational field and the efforts of light trying to leave the black hole. If you cross the event horizon, it will be impossible to escape. If two astronauts are near a black hole and let one of the astronauts drag on, then the astronaut number 2 who looks after the first dragged, it will seem to him that number 1 is moving so slowly that he will not live until the number 1 goes beyond the horizon of events. And for astronaut number 1, it will pass in an instant. When passing through the horizon of events upside down, the body will begin to stretch so much that the head and everything else will come off the body because the upper body will be attracted less than the lower. After passing through the horizon of events without a head, we will see the singularity. This is what is in the middle of the black hole. There is nothing subject to the usual laws of physics and width. And then completely disappears. So, in order not to be dragged into a black hole, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell.